Once upon a time, in a small village by a deep, green forest, there lived a poor woodcutter named Tom. Every day, he walked into the forest to chop wood. He would gather logs and sell them in the village. One sunny morning, Tom went to the riverbank to chop a tree. As he swung his axe, it slipped and fell into the river. Tom sat sadly by the river, not knowing what to do. Suddenly, a beautiful fairy rose out of the water. "Why are you so sad, good woodcutter?" she asked kindly. Tom bowed politely and said, "The fairy dived back into the water and brought a golden axe." "Is this your axe?" she asked. The fairy brought up a silver axe next. Again, Tom shook his head and said no. Finally, the fairy brought up Tom's old iron axe. Tom's face lit up with joy. The fairy was so pleased that she gave him all 3 axes. Tom thanked her again and again. He went back to his village and lived happily. And he always stayed honest, no matter what. Moral of the story: honesty is always rewarded. Thanks for watching.